This is a short guide to installing your SmartWarm Kit system. This guide is not intended to substitute for the installation and assembly manual. Please carefully read the assembly instructions included in the SmartWarm package before you begin assembly. Before placing your order for the system, please fill out the short questionnaire available on our site to ensure that you have selected the right system for your building. Please draw a floor plan of the rooms indicating the room dimensions, the positions of stationary furnishings and fittings, such as built-in closets and bathroom fittings, the desired heating zones, and the position of the system unit panel. Based on the information provided, we will create a SmartWarm Kit system installation diagram included in the price when you make your purchase. We recommend that you purchase separate sets for each room or area based on how it is used. This will allow you to regulate temperature by zones and increase comfort and energy savings. Please prepare the subfloor as required by current standards. The contents of the SmartWarm package: system wall unit with toroidal transformer, control unit and soft start, pre-mounted in the housing. Wall thermostat with liquid crystal display. Tie clamps for transformer strip connection, 2 pieces. Heating strip. Cardboard mounting template. All required screws, wall plugs and electrical plug. Operating and installation instructions. Warranty certificate. Preparation steps for all assembly options. At the desired system unit installation location, prepare a niche in the wall 10 cm above the finished floor level. The niche must correspond to the size of the system unit and be 12 cm deep. The system unit may also be surface mounted. A cardboard template is included in the SmartWarm packaging. Place the template such that the bottom of the template touches the floor level and drill holes at the points indicated on the template using an 8 mm drill bit. Please check that there are no existing electrical, water, sewage, or other installations in the wall before performing system unit installation or drilling. Insert wall plugs into the holes. When surface mounting the system unit, align the holes in the back of the panel with the holes drilled into the wall and attach with screws. The system may be mounted under all types of flooring: parquet, laminate, vinyl, linoleum, carpet, and ceramic tiles. The floor surface must be flat, clean, undamaged, and free of chemical residues before the heating strips are set. Primer must be applied after the floor has been cleaned to remove all residual dust and dirt. The heating strips are attached to the system unit in this manner. Tighten firmly using a 13 mm ring spanner. Install the strip on the planned area following the layout design you received. System assembly option 1, mounting on screed. Before installing the heating strip, use a marker to draw out the distance from the wall and the distance between strip sections on the floor, following the layout provided in the diagram you received when purchasing the system. Secure the strip using reinforced tape, duct tape, or a similar product. Make sure that the tape used to secure the heating strip adheres well to the subfloor. Use reinforced tape to protect the heating strip at curved areas and transitions between rooms. Bend the heating strip at right angles. Press gently with your hand at the bend points. Do not apply strong pressure or weight to the bend points in order to avoid thinning the inner aluminum content, which would reduce the designed electrical resistance. Use plastering mesh to cover the entire area on which the heating strip has been laid. Use a flat and broad trowel to apply a layer of elastic tile adhesive so that the heating strip and mesh are securely adhered to the rough floor. Your chosen flooring may be installed when the applied adhesive has fully cured. System assembly option 2, mounting under screed. Follow the same procedure as for option 1, with the exception that the heating strip is applied to thermal insulation and covered with nylon sheet. Screed is then poured over the nylon sheet. The final flooring is then installed on the screed. System assembly option 3, mounting on existing flooring. Follow the same procedure as for option 1. Bear in mind that when the system and your chosen flooring have been installed, the finished floor surface will rise by 10 mm plus the thickness of the selected new flooring. This may impact the opening and closing of doors and transitions between rooms. Connection and operation. Withdraw the power cable from the upper left side corner of the box. There are two methods by which the system may be connected to mains electricity. The first method is to connect the plug provided in the packaging to the power supply cable and to connect the system to a standard electrical outlet. The power cable is connected to the plug as indicated in the diagram provided in the assembly instructions. The second method is to connect the power supply cable directly to the mains electricity. This connection method may only be performed by a certified electrician. Withdraw the thermostat cable from the upper left corner of the box. Connect the cable to the thermostat as indicated in the installation instructions provided with the thermostat. Mount the thermostat at a height of from 140 to 160 centimeters from the floor. Thermostat must not be mounted above the system unit. Turn on the system power. The system will be initiated and will automatically turn off power supply when the temperature setting is exceeded by 0.2 degrees Celsius, and turn on again when the temperature drops 0.2 degrees Celsius below the temperature setting. There is also an option to set the desired temperature with a timer setting. Before any reconfiguration of the settings, we recommend waiting 2 to 3 days to allow for uniform heat diffusion and accumulation.